some of the last coffee trees standing. So many of such trees on the outskirts of Kenya's capital, Nairobi, have been uprooted and replaced by shopping malls and posh homes. The trend is worrying executives like Stephen Carnes, who manages Nestle's partnership with coffee farmers globally.
And I think this is a little bit where we have to see. We need to avoid being naive, you know, with the younger generation, with certification, with planting material. We have to make sure that there is really a good case to grow coffee. And for that, we have to have always a very, very local approach. There must be a Kenyan way, like there is a Vietnamese way to grow coffee, and then to make that build up.
Nestle, which buys 10% of the world's annual coffee, has been working with farmers to guarantee its supplies. The company has been working with 42,000 small-scale Kenyan coffee farmers, investing $1 million in a project dubbed the Nescafe Plan to boost production and quality of the beans. Farmers under the Nestle initiative say production and earnings have since gone up.
They help us grow our coffee. They also buy the coffee we produce at a good price, so we benefit. We are able to educate our children, eat well, buy clothes, and have stable lives.
When it comes to farming, they teach us how to prune, how to apply fertilizer, how to spray crops, and also finding a market for our coffee. Before, the market prices were very low, but now it has picked up.
Coffee accounts for the lion's share of Nestle's annual sales. Its Nescafe and Nespresso brands compete globally. The company is counting on growth in its coffee business to improve performance works with a local milling and marketing company, Coffee Management Services. They train farmers on fertilizer application, pest and disease control.
If we can have other partners, who are doing Nestle, what Nestle is doing, I can tell you the multiplier effect in productivity in Kenya can be very high.
Still, the sector is haunted by a dark past. Not too far from here sits an abandoned coffee factory. Moses Washira says it was closed in 2013 after its management embezzled farmers' savings, affecting up to 500 growers.
These problems are causing a decline in production because nobody watches to ensure managers do not misappropriate farmers' money. It's like they're at liberty to do what they want. They behave like they own the farmers' coffee.
Kenya's harvest fell 12% in the year 2016-2017 season to 40,700 metric tons, according to government data. Government efforts to revive the sector are yet to bear fruit. Beryl Oro, CGTN.